Our topic is treatment of accumulated expenses and losses at the time of admission of a partner. In the previous video, we have discussed treatment of accumulated profit and losses, accumulated profit at the time of admission of a partner. Here the next topic is related to treatment of accumulated expenses and losses at the time of admission of a partner or more than one partner also. First of all, expenses and losses. As you know, expenses and losses in accountancy, expenses and losses have debit balances. Expenses and losses have debit balances, and those things which have debit balances, they appear in the asset side of the balance sheet. Expenses and losses have debit balance, and debit balances appear in the asset side of the balance sheet. These expenses and losses are generally represented by profit and loss account. This profit and loss account, if it appears in the asset side of the balance sheet, you have to assume that this is part of loss of the company. This is loss of the company which is appearing in the asset side. If it is appearing in the asset side, it means that is loss of the company in the previous year or any other previous years also you can see. Now, it can be also represented by deferred revenue expenditure. Deferred revenue expenditure, or it is also known as advertisement suspense also. Advertisement suspense. If these things appear in the asset side of the balance sheet, so this is expenses and losses, or accumulated expenses and losses are there. So in order to, at the time of admission, since the new partner, the new incoming partner, he is not responsible for the expenses and losses which are accumulated. That is why he will not be interested to share these expenses and losses. So before admission of the new partner, these expenses and losses are transferred to the old partner's capital account in the old profit sharing ratio. These expenses and losses are transferred to the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio before the admission of the new partner. Entry for this will be, assuming that suppose profit and loss account is given in the asset side of the balance. In that case, partner's capital account will be debited, means old partner's capital account will be debited. Old partner's capital account will be debited, and the expenses or losses, whatever it is, suppose profit and loss account is there, so profits and loss account will be credited with the amount which is appearing in the balance sheet. Old partner's capital account will be debited and profit and loss account will be credited. In this way, the old profit and loss will be transferred to the old partner's capital account. If deferred revenue expenditure is given or advertisement suspense is given, similarly old partner's capital account will be debited and deferred revenue expenditure or advertisement suspense, that will be credited. In this way, the expenses and losses account will get closed.